Assemblymember Amanda Septimo partnered with the Bronx Community Foundation and the Bodega and Small Business Group to pilot a program that will increase bodegueros' access to security to combat increasing violent offenses against small business owners.
Day in and day out, bodegas help our community as a critical part of our social safety net, often serving as a refuge for community members in need and with nowhere else to turn. These establishments do so much to help keep us fed, happy, and healthy. And now we are stepping up to keep them safe.
The $1 million program is set to help upgrade Bodega's infrastructure in their business by paying for equipment and installation costs like panic buttons, high-resolution cameras, POS systems with emergency communication systems, and much more. President and CEO of the Bronx Community Foundation, Misha Porter, tells us how this will help small businesses.
Unfortunately, these essential small businesses need more protection, because we've seen an uptick in robberies. In the Bronx, robberies are up by 40% in the past 2 years, while burglaries have increased 47%. We must do more to protect our corner stores, their customers, and workers who run them.
By giving these businesses access to these essential services, it will help make sure they are protected from crime, making everyone safe. Yemeni American Merchants Association Director of Public Relations, Youssef Mubaraz, tells us how this program will help a lot of Yemen small businesses in New York.
Especially when we dedicated our lives, some of us risked our lives to stay open during the pandemic. And ever since, the Yemeni American Merchants Association and the Yemeni American community has lost community members to violence, to theft in the past couple of years. And we've been hurting. So we appreciate this kind of initiative. We hope to see it expand to other boroughs.
To learn more about the Bodega Pilot Program and the Bronx Foundation, you can visit their website at www.thebronx.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Shanel Thompson.